Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Transform your living space with unique and innovative artificial grass wall art ideas. Whether you're looking to bring a touch of nature indoors or seeking creative home decor solutions, artificial grass can offer an extraordinary way to enhance your walls. This video explores a variety of exciting ideas that can add texture, color, and life to any room in your home. Artificial grass wall art is not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. Unlike real plants, artificial grass requires minimal maintenance, making it a perfect choice for busy homeowners. It's durable, versatile, and can be customized to suit any space, from modern apartments to cozy cottages. Plus, artificial grass is eco-friendly as it doesn't require water, making it an ideal choice for those looking to reduce their environmental footprints. If you prefer a simple approach, try framing pieces of artificial grass. You can create a series of small framed grass art pieces or go for one large statement piece. This idea works all in hallways, bedrooms, or home offices, offering a subtle yet impactful way to bring the outdoors in. Moss walls with artificial grass accents combine the lush texture of artificial grass with the rich, earthy look of artificial moss. This combination creates a more dynamic and natural looking wall art piece that can be conversation starter in any room. Turn an entire wall into a scenic landscaping using artificial grass. Create murals that mimic rolling hills, forests, or abstract nature inspired designs. This idea is perfect for creating a relaxing ambience in spaces like your bedroom or meditation room. If you're inspired by these ideas, don't forget to subscribe for more creative home decor tips. Until next time, happy decorating.